Okay.
Okay. So now, yeah. So now we are going to talk about the
Faith.
things faith. Yeah.
Visualization
So you
of,
want to initiate? Okay. Yeah.
yeah,
Please go ahead.
faith, visualization of and believe in attainment of desires.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, faith is the head chemist of the mind. When faith is blended with the vibration of thoughts, uh, suddenly after that subconscious mind instantly pick the vibration and just transform in the spiritual equivalent and transmit into infinite intelligence, just like a prayer. When we are doing prayer in front of God or any temple, that time we need to keep the faith on our God and our uh, and which we are following or the devotee. So without faith, you can't continue any worship. I mean to say. So, and the emotion of faith, love, and sex are the most powerful of all major positive positions.
Mm-hmm.
Mixture and blended.
It's like a blending. You mean
Just,
proper? If we can blend, then it will do some good. Like it
yeah,
will
yeah.
show some tremendous
When
result.
if your mind and soul blend these three things in
Mm-hmm.
good proportionate, then one color reflect color in the sense your soul feels soother and soother. After
Mm-hmm.
that, uh, your mind feel one vibration that is
Mm-hmm.
called infinite intelligence. That time, your subconscious mind receive a message from your mind or soul. So I
So,
mean,
like, how we can develop the faith? Like, shall we talk on this? Like, how we can develop that infinite intelligence?
uh, with
Yeah.
affirmation.
Okay. So, please, can you elaborate that particular thing? What that affirmation you mean, and what are the steps that might be involved in case, or like at least a particular understanding in case.
So affirmation means just like a repetition of instructions for my
Mm-hmm.
mind, for the subconscious mind. So
Mm-hmm.
for the example, if you want to become a good cricketer,
Okay.
then you need to just 24 into 7, you need to think about your shots, your bowling, your position. Moreover, you just live with and breathe with the cricket.
Mm-hmm.
If you just play 1 hour and 30 minutes and 2 hours without any affirmation, without any chill, without any courage, uh,
Mm-hmm.
it means there is no worth or return of that work for your side. So
So you mean that always and always we have to be with the affirmation always.
without affirmation, you can't achieve your goal properly. Without
Mm-hmm.
for the example, if you are just doing some nuisance work or crime work,
Mm-hmm.
one day you just went into any shop and pick any uh, item, yeah, or anything, you just in a hidden manner, just like thief,
Mm-hmm.
you just got the things free of cost, and that time you realize, oh, it's a very good trick, no need to work hard for anything, just go away and uh, pick and keep in hidden way.
Mm-hmm.
And next day
Like just steal the things
just
and like
still, yeah, yeah,
get the things at. Okay.
yeah. So you just repeat this exercise in that
Mm-hmm.
manner. One day you become a thief.
Okay. So that particular thing that which will be done again and again, please can you elaborate
It's
this?
in a habitual manner.
Okay.
It's not a manner of positive. You are doing positive thing or doing negative thing. Affirmation is affirmation. Just your subconscious mind giving you direction and receiving the uh, your habits store in
Mhm.
subconscious mind. So
Okay.
it's just allow you go and just do it. So
So
use
it never gives the judgment, you mean? The
no.
subconscious. Okay.
Subconscious
Like
mind.
whatever your. Hmm, yeah.
So for the judgment, it's a need perfection
Okay.
with come through practice.
That's true. So in case of this, let's say if the affirmation it goes in the wrong way, for example, so what could be the consequences in that case? As you say that the subconscious mind it never judges. It's the conscious mind that goes with the judgment. And let's say in case of this thief, for example, on the first day, he feels very guilty that why I did this particular thing. But once he get accustomed or once he gets habituated, so he will become or like he will turn into a criminal on one particular day, is it?
Yeah,
And
sure.
I hope all those negative thoughts are acting as a affirmation to him, and that might be leading him to become or turn into a criminal. It means like the affirmation, if they are given in the form of a positive thought, then it will do some miracle and the blunders, wonderful
So,
things.
yeah,
Whereas if we go like if the same thing, if we imbibe in a negative habits, so in the form of negative thoughts, so it may even hamper or even it may lead to death, like the criminal.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So this thing. Yeah. What about something as we call like the development one as we have gone through that affirmation? What about something we call that? Okay, I have faith, but always I used to fail. So what are your views on luck? Like people just say I have bad luck. Yes, good luck.
Nothing is luck. Always
Hmm.
perfection with the comes through the practice and
Mm-hmm.
need to just remove the negative belief.
Okay.
So with only with the negative belief, you
Hmm.
always thought about the luck and bad luck. There is a,
Okay.
because of this belief, which is picked up subconscious mind and translated into physical equivalent.
Hmm.
So
So there is nothing called good luck or bad luck. It's always about the timing and the hard work you mean.
obviously,
Please, can you elaborate with an example in case, if possible?
uh,
Okay. Is it okay if I say Sachin Tendulkar? He's the lucky person that he became legend.
no, 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 no. He's not a lucky person. He
Hmm.
just re- uh, received the return gift by the affirmation, by his
Hmm.
dwelling orders, by the perfection of the practice, uh, perfection with the practice. He just started cricket age of
Hmm.
4 or 5 years.
Okay.
After that, he just live with cricket, breathe by
Breath. Okay.
breathe by the with the cricket,
Hmm.
and he always believe in affirmation.
Okay.
So you
So
just
whereas,
you
yeah.
see you have seen many of photographs of childhood Sachin
Mhm.
Tendulkar. He just carry the heavy bat compared to his weight.
Yes, yes, yes. I have.
So that photograph shows his affirmation from the childhood.
Okay. And like there is a story that comes out into my mind, like it's coming out right now, that when he started playing at the same time, there used to be someone called Vinod Kambli. Okay, so Vinod Kamble is very talented than him, but people they say due to his bad luck,
There
like
is
Vinod
no,
Kamble.
there is no, nothing is bad luck. He achieved something by his limited affirmation. After that, he distract with the goal.
Mhm.
After the
What the goal?
distraction, he
Mhm.
lost the perfection with the practice. So
Yeah.
practice and perfection is the ongoing process. You never left it. No need to left. If you
Mhm.
thought I become a learner person, no need to learn English, no need to exercise English, no need to anything need to do for the practice. What will
Mhm.
happen? One day I
Obviously, will not get the result.
one day I forget all the vocabulary.
Everything. Yeah.
One day I forget the grammar. I just able to talk some few things. So similar things happen in everywhere. If you are
Mhm.
cricketer and you injured for 6 months, after that you need to more hard work in net practice. That's why Indian team just dropped that player for the county cricket and Ranji cricket, and he played in Ranji in IPL. After that, he picked in international match. So that example shows that perfection with always come with practice. Without practice, no one can become success or expert, intelligent, luck, good luck, everything related to practice only.
Okay, so like
If
quite
you,
interesting.
yeah, if you picked in Indian team by luck one time, and
Mhm.
after the series you will drop permanently without if
Yeah.
you comes without the practice and exercise.
Okay. It means like as the Olympics are going on and even the Indian participants who are like winning the medals, so even it's not a matter of luck, is it?
Never.
As people they say like that was the timing, like that particular participant he or she lifted or like in weightlifting or
if
in some
if
other
if
activity.
if it's a game of matter, then Ambani family win all the Olympic games. No one
Yes.
no one more luckiest person than Rahul Gandhi. Then Rahul
Hmm.
Gandhi won all the Olympics medal. No luckiest compared to Narendra Modi. He has done and doing hard work, but he achieved more than the hard work because number of ample of leaders in parallel of
Hmm.
him, they worked hard compared to Modi 100
Yes.
times.
Hmm.
But affirmation, practice, matter of time, how to place and how to receive the things and reply the things in Godhra Kand and Hindutva, how to encash the things, that is matter. That is not correlated with luck and bad luck and good luck.
So
All
it's all about the toil and the hard work
and
one do, so definitely they will
perfection,
get the result. Perfection is okay.
perfection, timing, everything correlated with. And after all, affirmation.
It means here we can say the Newton's the law it applies that you have to apply your force in the direction, not perpendicularly, because in the right direction you have to apply your force, not
Obviously,
in the opposite direction.
no.
Is it?
So I started conversation with you before few months.
Hmm.
If I thought and committed with you that time, I need to complete the course in 17 days
Hmm.
at any cost. So I will give you uh, some more money or something that time.
Mhm.
So is it possible?
Not at all,
So
because it's all your effort and all your toiling and like all your hard work. Okay, and
my
at the same time you're
affirmation,
together.
my affirmation.
Obviously.
I slept with English. I woke up with English. I everything on
Even
mobile.
your codes reflect that
Yeah.
way
So
you are writing the codes.
time of sleeping, I thought about the codes, and when I
Mhm,
woke up, I created.
mhm,
So within a 5 minute, 4 minute, I created, and I just pick the words just like a Sachin Tendulkar shots, because I worked very hard on those things. How to pick the synonym? It's art. Everything not in my
Obviously,
mind.
it's
It's not in my
yeah,
mind, but I know how to pick and collect the things.
that's
So,
good.
and
That's
those
good.
things comes from the perfection with the practice, hard practice.
That's good. So
Understood?
let's have a good. So let's have a light on the self confidence. So what the self confidence has to do with faith? Is there any correlation?
Yeah, obviously. If you have
Hmm,
affirmation, and after that, for that affirmation, you have faith, and your
hmm.
subconscious mind receiving all the negative thing as per your requirement, what you want to become and what to you receive.
Hmm.
After that, what's your point?
Like how we can develop our self confidence and is there any correlation? Is there any relation between faith and self confidence? Like let's say if we have a faith, okay, so the faith will give some self confidence. Is it like
Yeah. So
as
need to,
people they
yes,
say, yeah.
just need to maintain the chief aim. Chief aim
Mm-hmm,
means what you want to achieve,
mm-hmm,
and what are you doing for that.
okay.
Everything has correlated. If you
Mm-hmm,
have affirmation,
mm-hmm,
after that you are twirling orders with the perfection and with the practice. If you maintain those things physically and mentally, after
mm-hmm.
that, day by day, you got the self confidence with your thoughts, with your soul, because maintain of both things, thoughts and action. It's a must compulsory. If
So
you
as you okay, as you were explaining, just one point I came to know that I just read somewhere it's given that confidence comes with perfection.
yeah,
Is it? So I hope, and this perfection even uh, indirectly it is related to the faith. That if you have a faith that I can do, so definitely I can do. And due to that faith, you will practice a lot, and the practice will give you the perfection, and that will lead you to become more and more confident.
if you have a strong faith with thoughts and action,
Mhm,
they remove the fear and increase the level of courage.
mhm,
If if you have done lots of practice in net practice, just
mhm,
like Sachin Tendulkar, and you just went to Perth and played, faced the ball of Brett Lee.
mhm,
If you have ample of practice and you have uh, sweating more and more during the net practice,
mhm.
I think you just realize that time you face the Brett Lee ball. So it's just like a net practice, no need to worry. And
Mhm.
you just visualize the ball like a football.
Mhm.
So that's why Sachin
Yes.
Tendulkar played tremendous shots, and every ball goes out of the boundaries. And it's not a matter of whose ball front of him. So it's
Yeah.
all comes to only by the practice, self-confidence, thoughts, actions, removing of fear, uh, just boost his courage by all the
Mm.
stuffs.
So by doing this, like as we were going through this, so one more thing is coming to my mind, that is like let's say like always and always we have to fill our mind with the affirmation, like all the positive thoughts. For example, if at some point of time, if we can take something called fear, and the fear of like, okay, this thing I may not do, okay, fear of the thing, so that will hamper our not only our ability, even whatever the capability we have, even it will hamper that. Okay, as one of the quote, like the author, even he said that if you think you'll lose, you are lost. And for out of the world we find success begins with a fellow's will. It's all in the state of mind. As it says, like always and always, like whatever you think, that particular thing you can become. Yes. It's not. And moreover, as if we can see, the thought process of Barnes, he who came to become the business partner of Edison. I hope like you remember that particular incident. So
Yeah, yeah,
even that, yes. So I think like even he has filled his mind with all the positive,
yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
like
He
he was
tried.
determined.
He tried various time only for meat, but
Mhm.
he failed. Number of time he failed, but
Yes,
his affirmation never died.
yes. That like as he had the he has lit the fire of the determination to
Yeah,
succeed in his life.
and
And even though
all the things happen
Mhm,
only to due to his impulse thought. The impulse of
mhm,
thoughts have a tendency to maintain the zeal and affirmation. If you
yes,
have impulse of thought, then you can do anything.
yes, that's true. That's true. Even one more point, like regarding Gandhi. So I guess like Gandhi, he has nothing but the faith,
Only.
and it's only due to faith, like he just uh, he was able to gather like millions and millions of people.
Yeah.
And even he didn't even distributed money or something so that they have to gather. So only due to the power of faith, he could assemble all these gatherings here and there, and people, they were ready to listen him, and even they are ready to participate in his movement.
No, no,
So is
not only listen. They ready to driven by Gandhi.
yes, that's true, that's true.
Yeah.
And
And
like
it shows the power of verity. So without
yes.
truth, no one can uh,
So
just achieve the goal. And truth
mhm,
and faith correlated things. It means
yes.
negative and positive. So if you have affirmation and you reached at the subconscious mind that time,
Mhm,
and if you have the mm, you become expertise balancing
mhm.
between the thoughts and action. That time your subconscious mind allow you and just judge you what is going wrong or right. That time you just need to pick the motions.
Yes, as even the author, he even told that like about Gandhi, that he created it out.
For example,
Mhm,
one a small child just
mhm,
open the wrapper and just eat the chocolate, and
mhm.
he threw the wrapper in the metro train and anywhere. If their
Okay,
parents
at any public place, let's say.
at any public place in a house within a house,
Okay.
but his parents, his or her parents, just interrupt him, scold him. How
Mhm,
what you are learning in your school? Why you are
mhm.
doing here and there? So just uh, you need to keep all the garbage in the dustbin, garbage bag. So
Mhm.
just go and search the where is your dustbin near about your house or any public place, And always remember, when you trying to eat something, you need to keep the wrapper on garbage bag. After few days instruction, that kids remember lifetime. No, never threw anything here in there.
Okay.
That is the part of affirmation also. So his body and soul and mind
Mhm.
just keep the all the instruction in subconscious mind for the lifetime. So it's a matter of practice.
Yes, as the store.
Yeah. So number of example is there.
Yes, as we could see, the power of faith, you can transmit or even transmute, you can even use for the sake, you can transmute the power of faith into a result that all, like, even you can achieve the impossible result with this, is it?
Yeah.
And at the same time, there is even something of faith. It's only the faith that even helped during the pandemic time. Uh, Even during the COVID time, let's say, the one who lost the faith that, okay, I will survive, I will not survive, or my business can't survive. So they, only those people, they lost
Yeah.
their business. And those who had the affirmation, those who had the strong faith that no, no, at any cost, it's just a test for me, and after that, I'll be okay. So they are just running their business quite good, and possibly it's only due to the faith. And the moment if we start going with our faith, so we may come with the tremendous and more and more ideas. And even our mind, it acts once you go with the faith, even it gives you the ideas. For example, the Oyo business is going on. So even everyone thought that, okay, now Oyo is going to be the flop. But all of a sudden, the Oyo came with an idea as it um, patched up its business with the diagnostic center.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's only some.
The whole world has had ample opportunity during the pandemic.
Hmm,
So those people have faith on
mhm.
himself. Those people have self-confidence. I can do, no one can beat me. So
Yes.
pandemic came only for me for the opportunity. I
Mhm.
looks all the pandemic as an opportunity. I need to explore my business in another
Mm,
way. I just need to get up and change the business mode. If I am
yes.
selling cloths,
Mm,
if I am a cloth merchant, that time I need to just change my pattern. I need to just stitch the mask. I
mm.
need to
Obviously.
arrange the sanitizer and PPT kit and sorry, such type of business. Those people have affirmation and right time he just click the business with the perfection and with the timing.
Mhm.
After that, he
Yes.
becomes richest person during the pandemic.
Obviously, obviously.
And
I hope, yes. Even the same, it went with the all the richest people in the world,
so because
and in India, I hope. And
always faith known as an antidote for failure.
oh, yes, yes, yes. That's true. That's true. That's
Yeah.
true.
Or without fail, no one can become success.
Obviously.
No
And
one
I hope
can.
the same it goes with the UPSC as well. I hope. Let's say if
Everywhere,
someone is
everywhere.
very intelligent, is it? And if he doesn't possess something called faith that I will crack, so he will not crack his entire life.
And
If you
those
don't have the.
people, many of them, those who cracked the UPSC in first city,
Hmm,
due to his self-confidence, due to his
Hmm.
information.
Yes, yes.
Filing orders, they
That's
have
true.
practice, they have perfection,
Hmm.
they have, and they remove the all fear from his mind,
Yes.
and they realize if I fail, no matter, failure is just like an antidote, work for me as a booster. So I learn more and more if I fail. So these kind of concept, if you adopt such thing, no one can beat you. So always need to burn the lead as affirmation.
That's true. And I hope even in the medical science, the miracles, it only works with the faith.
Yeah.
In
So
the
if you admitted in a hospital and
Hmm.
someone in critical position, just doctor admitted in a ICU, that time doctor told you only
Hmm.
one thing: believe on me, faith on God. We are doing our own job. And doctor never nervous.
Yes.
Doctor never uh,
Hmm.
comes to front of you with fear. Am I just success or fail after the operation?
Obviously, they won't. They won't.
That things reflect on his face. That is
Hmm.
faith. He has affirmation, I never become fail. But in 10 operations, 3 or 4 people will die. It's he because he has done only his job. He is doing filing orders for medical science, but no one perfect 100%. Sachin
That's
Tendulkar also bowled on big duck, big zero. Virat Kohli
Yes, yes. It
also
happened.
bowled on Virat Kohli also run out. He has good athlete. Jonty Rhodes also left the catches.
Mhm.
So, but it's all about the perfection of timing, and everyone need to learn and feel the failure as an antidote. After that,
That's
no one uh, beat you, and never you realize sorrow and happiness. Both are things inbuilt in your mind. Your subconscious mind just realize it's wrong. That time you feel laugh. Those type
yes.
of people, I think you have seen many of people. So one never not if two neighbors have no better relationship as a
Hmm.
neighborhood, one laugh on another's bad position, bad achievement, or mishappening if happen with someone. Uh, that time another never laugh on his bad situation.
Mhm.
So why
That's
happen? Why happened these things? If someone in trouble and another people laughing on that, it's
so obvious.
only due to his subconscious mind. Subconscious
That
mind just recalled him, your neighbor, believe like an enemy. He is in bad position. You need to laugh and feel happy. But vice versa, you receive good thoughts in your mind. That time you need to help your neighborhood.
obviously, that's true. Because we never know that what our situation will become, or
Yeah.
what his situation, and who may help to others in future. So all these things, they even has the equal proportion and equal opportunity, and even people, they get equal deeds and equal
So
happiness.
this is called power of influence.
Mhm.
You influence by bad things.
Yes. The all the negativity.
Yeah. So if you want to remove your negativity, that time you need to fix a goal.
Obviously,
If
obviously.
you fixed a goal and you breathe with your affirmation, and you always just design in your mind for the goal, and you just thought every time for that how to achieve,
Mhm,
and in between that anything comes to your mind, that time
mhm,
you just think about like, oh, no matter it's going on, uh, I
mhm.
need to think about that goal. So,
That's true.
for the example, if you are reading something very consciously and with zeal and affirmation, at that time someone playing something DJ or song in outside of a building and house. If you concentrate and you have zeal and you have faith on your soul, that time you never frustrated by that sound. For example,
Yes.
if you are reading in your bus during traveling, if you are reading a book in train, that time no sound frustrating. Am I right?
Obviously, that's
Why?
true.
Why? But those people
See,
have no
it's
jail.
only the zeal and the enthu and the faith in your mind that okay, and like no worries, like no worries, like what is going on outside.
But
You
those
only
students
had
have no any goal. They have unmature mind. And they don't want to read. That time he said, Papa, please turn off that fan. It sound disturb me.
a
Please.
number of obstacles they may come into
Yeah,
his
yeah,
mind
yeah.
and
Just my little cat. I need to, Papa, I want to go washroom. Similar like that.
yes, yes, that's it happening. Okay, so now it's time to wrap up with the topic of faith. Okay, so let's have some remarkable points on the same. So can we have a few points from you, like concluding points, like why the faith, like as we have discussed a lot about faith, but at the same time, like why faith, and it is one of the fundamental thing that can take a person from one end to the other end of success.
Okay.
Is it?
Because
Yeah,
riches begin in the form of thought.
obviously.
And where you can develop your thoughts,
Obviously, no subconscious.
subconscious mind. How can you achieve your subconscious mind?
With the faith
With faith.
and
How can
with
you
the
achieve the
positive
faith?
thoughts.
And how can you achieve the faith with anything? With affirmation.
Obviously, the
First,
affirmation called the
need,
auto-suggestion
need,
will.
first you need to just maintain your affirmation. After then you can achieve anything.
That's true. That's
Yeah,
true.
just like
So,
one father want to marry his daughter.
mm,
In 2 or 3 years, his single affirmation.
yes. Mm,
And he
obviously.
went to his village, went to his office, he went to anywhere in bank, anywhere. He just
Yes.
talked one thing, when I have one daughter and she is doing blah blah blah, and I am searching good guy, but I have ample of tension in my mind. So
Mm, this,
24 hours he think about only one thing.
yes. Obviously, things
His
that.
daughter ready to marry, and he has one single duty, and
Obviously,
he
that's
and one day he just searched the IS IPS as per his requirement.
yes.
So need to
And
search
that's
time
how.
again.
That's so
And
affirmation that
yeah, yeah,
leads to the faith.
one criminal have affirmation and thoughts, and after that he makes a plan or action active. Just he implement all the thoughts
Hmm.
as action. And one day he cracked the SBI locker. Impossible thing. But
Hmm.
after before he toiling orders with perfection and practice, thousands time he just reaches the bank and exercised map just like film Aake. After that, Akshay Kumar cracked the bank.
Yes.
So this is the big example.
Yes, that's like even as at the beginning we have discussed that even it works with the positive as well as the negative. So how we want to perceive it depends on us. Like whether you want to perceive the things with a positive affirmation or whether you want to fill it with the negative one.
In my opinion,
And it
not only affirmation, and it's depend on your surrounds. That's why
obviously the
always,
environmental factors.
that's why always prominent persons and saint and monk always tells that need to make a good surround near about, and always thought about good things, always read
Always.
positive
Mm,
books, always decide your goals next to next. It's not mean
that's
if I want to become a good learner and I want to just learn English and everything, I need to fix next goal. If I
mm,
learn, I collect all the things as per my requirement. After that, I need to fix a certain goal. If you always fix the certain goal, then
mhm,
never your mind receive negativity.
that-
It's the best
okay.
solution. If
Yes,
you
yes,
want to become a engineer, then you need to just crack the IIT. After that, you need to certain goal. You need to civil services, or if you join somewhere, you need to just make a benchmark as per remarkable work. After that,
mhm.
someone after 5 years told one man joined our company that time. He just draw a line. No one can just beat that line.
Obviously, yes, yes, yes. As you say, so these are the true things, and it can only happen through faith. And obviously, the indirect part is the affirmation that comes with miracles. So there are a number of examples that we can quote across the world, like the live, even the with the history. Okay, that's true. So let's try to wind up the session by saying that faith can lead you to achieve anything, and obviously to have the faith we have to have the affirmation, and obviously
Uh,
the positive affirmation.
Faith with idea
Mm,
into physical reality
mm.
through the well plan and with persistence. After
Yes,
that, time has to come with for decision.
yes.
And after
That's
decision, if you want to become IS officer,
mhm.
then need to burning desire. That is called affirmation.
Yes,
So
have
without,
to have it. Yes. So in our
yeah,
so in our next session we'll come with one more topic. So thank you.
okay. Have a good day.